Hey guys, welcome to our channel, and if you are facing an annoying issue on your Valorant game that is D3D11 compatible GPU issue or error, then this video is for you. So here it is that how you can fix this error in your Windows 11 or 10. So the D3D11 compatible GPU is common game-related error for both Windows 10 and 11. You usually see this error message when you try to start certain affected games. It will present an error message that reads a D3D11 compatible GPU feature level 11 shaders model 5 is required to run this engine and affected games don't start. So here is the simple fixes. That first, install any available Windows update. So if there is any update, you can go to the settings and you can find the Windows update. So if there's any update available, then you can simply click on install all and you can install the most updated version of your Windows. Then you can do is scan your system file with SFC. So to check your possible system file corruption using causing the D3D11 compatible GPU, you run a system file checker. Scan the SFC tool will scan for the repair corrupted system file in Windows. You can run SFC scan like this. Open the Windows search, then see how to find Windows search. If you now type CMD into, just like this, click on this Windows button and simply search for CMD and right click on command prompt in the search result and select run as administrator. Then run the SFC scan by executing this command like SFC/scan now. Just like this, let me show you. CMG. Here is the command prompt. Right click on it, run as administrator. Yes, and simply type SFC/scan now. Scan now and hit enter, and it will scan for all of the, here you can see the scan has been started. So you will have to wait until the verification is complete to 100%. Then you can find if there is any corrupted file, then you can detect it easily through the system. Now set the game to utilize a dedicated graphics card. Now, does your PC have integrated or decoded graphics adapters? If it does, make sure that affected game utilize your PC dedicated GPU. To do so, you can select a high performance graphics option for the game via settings or guide. Choose a preferred graphics card for an app tells you how to set a dedicated GPU for a game in settings. So you can simply go to your settings. Here I have just opened the settings from here. Now you have to simply go to the app and you can find all the install app from here, and for here you can simply click on the Windows icon and simply search for graphics settings, and here is the graphics settings where you can find the display section, and here you can find all of the applications that are actually integrated with your graphics card. So if you can find the Valorant game or the Riot Games client from here, so you have to simply, for example, this one is Valorant and this one is Riot client, so you can add it to the desktop app. You can simply click on add desktop app and you can go to the Riot client section where it is. So you have to find the Valorant game, valorant.exe file. So you can simply add that application and simply click on them, and you can find the GPU preferences and make sure that you have set it to high performance for the both valorant.exe file and the Riot client. Or you can simply click on reset and you can add it to high performance according to your current GPU. Then the next step is update the driver for your graphics card. So you can do is you can simply click on the Windows icon again, then search for device manager, and you can find the display adapter from here. Let me show you. Here it is, the display adapter. You can expand this section and you can find your current GPU. You can right click on it. So you can do is you can disable the device for once, and after 5 seconds you can click on enable device, so it will restart your graphics card, and then you can simply click on update driver and simply click on search automatically for the update. So if there is any update available for your graphics driver, then you can find it and make sure that you have downloaded it for the latest version and to use it without any error. Repair or update the Visual C++ redistributables on your PCs. So the D3D11 compatible GPU errors can sometimes be due to missing or corrupted Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable runtime libraries. So you may need to repair or install runtime library on your PC. For that, you have to simply open the app and features settings lab using all of the methods outlined in how. Here it is, just like this, app and features. In app section you can find the app and features, then type the Microsoft C++ in the search box at the top of the apps and features, just like this. Then click the three-dot menu button for the Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable to repair there. Then select the modify option and you can find just like this. Then press the repair button in the Visual C++ window that opens. Then repeat the previous two steps for all Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable list in apps and features. So just like this, you can also do it by the official store, official library from here. So you can install it, the latest runtime libraries with the Microsoft Visual C++ in 2025, 2015 to 2020 redistributable pack like this here. You can navigate to the Visual C++ redistributable download page and you can find the x64 and you can download it and you can set up it actually how you set up the app. Now install the DirectX runtime libraries. So for here, so you can go open the Microsoft DirectX in user runtime web installer download web page, then select the pages download option, then click the DX web setup.exe file in the download section of your browser, then select the radio button for the I accept the agreement option inside the DirectX setup wizard. So just like this, here it is, so accept it. Then click the next button here. Then you have to set up it as like you set up all the application, then click finish in the wizard, then register to your Windows laptop or desktop. Now set effective games to run with DirectX. So you have to make sure that you are running the game with your DirectX. So that's how you can just simply do it. Hope you got this. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and thanks for watching. Till next time.